Today I am talking about the one synchronite image of Indra Vishnu, currently located in State Museum of Hyderabad. So this is the description of image. As you've seen, it is a 800 deity sitting on a couch. It has Prabhavala on his back, wearing Karanda Mukuta and highly ornamented. Soumya Bhav can be seen on face. It's in Dvibhanga pose. So going to the attributes from lower right hand. The lower right hand is mutilated, but it can be assumed that it was holding Padma and what is in Varada or Abhay Mudra. So above it, the hand holds the Vajra. Next is Chakra, and this is the arrow or Ban. It is also mutilated, but from this end of the arrow, we can assume that it is an arrow. So now moving to left hands, the upper left hand holds the Dhanusha. It is also mutilated, but we can see here the string of Dhanusha and Dhanusha. So we can assume that this is a Dhanusha. So next is the Shankha, Vajraghanta, and Gada. So in the book of the sculpture of the Kaktiyas, Gopalachari has mentioned this image as a Vishnu, and he assigned the date between 1250 CE to 13 CE. Stylistically, also this image matched with the Kaktiya period style. So we can assume that this image is belong to late 13th century CE. Now, when we try to identify this image, the Chakra, Shankha, and Gada, these are the prominent attributes of Vishnu. We can see here. And Agni Purana, Vishnu Dharmatta Puran, Devatamurti Prakaran, Matsya Puran, and Brihat Samhita. These texts mention the 800 Vishnu image, but none of these texts is mentioning that Vishnu holds the Vajra. But in this present image, this image holds Vajra and Vajraghanta. The Vajra and Vajraghanta, these are the prominent feature of image of Indra. So we can assume that, and from this, I am identifying this image as a syncretic image of Indra and Vishnu. The remaining two attributes, Bana and Dhanusha, this can be this can also assigned to Vishnu or Indra, but here I think that these are associated with Indra because it's coming alternate hands. And in supportive to this identification of Indra Vishnu, there is one image at Verul, which Dr. Kiran Deshmukh identifies as Indra Vishnu synchronized image. Here also, this image holds the Vajra, and according to this, he has identified this image as Indra Vishnu. So referring to this image, I am identifying this image as Indra Vishnu. So what is the significance of Indra Vishnu image? So we see alliance of Indra and Vishnu from Vedic period. In Vedic period, the majority of hymns are addressed to Indra, and only 5 hymns are added to Vishnu. But there are so many times Vishnu mentioned with alliance of Indra. So like the famous story of killing the Vrita with the help of Vishnu is well known. And the one of the name of Vishnu is also Upendra, where we can also understand that he is associated of Indra. In the post-Vedic period, as on, the scheme changed. Indra became a less prominent, and Vishnu emerged as a prominent deity. But this alliance is remains same because also in Indra became less prominent. He is already associated with Vishnu, and he remain associated with Vishnu. So in many avatars of Vishnu, Vishnu take a avatara to secure the place of Indra, and this can be seen from the Trivikrama avatar also as well, where the Vedic Vishnu's 3 strides of Vedic Vishnu are modified into 3 strides as Trivikrama, where he take a avatara to secure the place of Indra and to decrease the importance of Bali. So here here are the references, and I was thankful to all of my teachers and friends. Thank you.